Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm also otherwise known as the Old Man Mountain. Today's video we're doing an unboxing of the Nagant Revolver. The Nagant Revolver was used as a revolver from the Russian Empire to the Soviet Union, and is still very popular today, but no longer really used in military service. It was used until the Makarov replaced it in military service with the Soviet Union. I'm reviewing it today, so I hope you all enjoy. Alright, so we're going to start the unboxing. Package is pretty much open. Here we have the shipping details. Get that out. Got 7 extra cartridges. Now we're going to unbox this. Don't need a knife. Basic instructions. Manual to take it apart, and the basic manual to put it in the CO2. Pack of BBs. And we have the gun itself. Empty, of course. Double and single. Loading gate. And the cartridge inside. There you go. Flip. Rip. Let me just real quick. Take off the grips. Just flip that off and unwind. Put in the CO2 canister. Put that back in and reattach it. There we go. Simple as that. With the safety right here. The orange tip which you can come out easily, and of course the loading rod. So yeah. So we're going on to the shooting test in a minute. Alright, we're going to start the shooting. I'm going to put my protective goggles on. And yes, I'm wearing a Soviet hat. This gun is a Soviet gun. Alright, going to load the last cartridge in. As you see, it is a breech loader. Not breech loader. I'm going to take off the safety. I'm going to fire, starting with single action. The paper. One shot to bring paper down. Red or not. I'm going to do the rest on single. Normally I'd be out of rounds, but this isn't a Nagant Revolver, so we have 1 extra round, making 7. Now, unlike some airsoft revolvers, you can load it from the front because plunger is in the front of the cartridge. So just put your safety on while doing this, so you don't shoot yourself. There you have it. All 7 cartridges loaded. We'll fire them off again. Safety off first. That was all 7. Let's go to the outro. It's about time I end my video. So like the video, like it, disliked it, comment why. If you enjoy my video and enjoy what I do, you're welcome to subscribe. Like I always say, it does no harm. So long, farewell, and if anything, my comrades. Good night.